think it's really important that we allow the pupils to express themselves. You know, I think that's really important. Every individual is different, but we're certainly going to give them a platform to excel, a platform to learn and enjoy, and then within that, their own individual talent can come out. So yeah, so it's a programme where the education is really important, but when they come and play football, that they've got the freedom to express themselves.
Momentous Football Academy believe in giving and allowing experiences to students and players on and off the pitch. We have a coach development pathway, a sports science pathway and an analysis pathway for all the players and all the students within the R&N group to get on board with and be a part of on a weekly to daily basis. This will allow key skills and work experiences to come out, a mentorship programme for all the players to be a part of and all the students to be a part of, guided over an annual basis. We have internal qualifications which will allow the students to grow and develop and use as exit routes when they go for potential employment after they finish their course.
So we're going to be looking at we can tap into all three colleges within the R&N group. So I believe there's over 3,000 learners who would have the opportunity to come on board with us, so you don't necessarily have to be at Dearne Valley College. We obviously will use this facility for the football and the training, but we want to get our kind of name out there to all the students and for them to understand what we can bring to them. But there's a lot of students we can target who I think will enjoy this. We'll have a trial process where we can kind of see what level the players are at, and then we'll go from there.